with that? Courtesy of Sergeant Major B. Cabes. Thank you very much. Love you, brother. Get some of this. Oh yeah, look at that. Basil Hayden bourbon whiskey. Put that right in there. Alright, we'll add our 1/5 quart of water here. You get you a big pot and just put a garbage bag in it. It makes it easier to mix all the liquid in. Gonna add our maple syrup. That bourbon maple. Alright, now make the rub. I'm gonna do a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We're going to do 1.5 cups kosher salt. We're going to do our poultry seasoning pork rub mix. You can kind of make your own, season to flavor. Take our black peppercorn and our whole cloves. Break this, sorry, the bay leaf. Break this up. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I can't wait. That's gonna make a nice rub. All right, we'll take our orange peels here. Get some orange zest. Off in there. Stir up your mix. As the spices settle to the bottom, get that and just keep filling it up. Doesn't matter if the butter gets on the outside because we're going to be putting some more on it anyway, and there's going to be more in the water. I kind of like using the plastic bag method because it keeps everything in and keeps everything contained, keeps it nice and clean. All right, next step's going to be the rub. We're going to go ahead and take our butter. I'm going to pour the butter right over top. Look at that, no mess whatsoever. Nothing at all for the mama bear to be upset about. Uh-oh. I'm probably going to be in trouble. It's supposed to all stay in the bag. That didn't work so well. Alright, sprinkle the rest of our sage and thyme on there. Alright, last piece before we put it in the brine. Fill her up. The onion halves and apples. Get it all in there. Alright, now we move from the bag to this bag. Take all the rest of the seasoning that's in the bag so we don't waste it. Mix it right in, and of course there's absolutely no mess, as you can tell, whatsoever. She's ready to burn a hole through me right now. She's looking at me and it's not looking good, fellas. So here we go. Dump the rest of the seasoning in here. Alright, good as new. All good, back to normal. Now Mama Bear won't kill me. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do We poured the brine out of the bag with the turkey. We're going to set that down in there with our garbage bag. Make sure that no water gets in it. And we're going to take our 5-gallon bucket. We're going to pour that in. We need just enough water to cover the turkey. That'll be perfect right there. Once you get that, pull the turkey in the bag back out, set it back in our pot. Next step, we're going to have to dry the bird off so there's no moisture on it at all, and then we can go ahead and put it in the hot oil. Alright, so for safety, we got our temperatures at 350, got the oil going good. We're just going to shut it down. That way you're not putting it in with the flame going. We've already patted the bird off, so we're good to go. Got no water on it. Put it in nice and slow. Get it in there nice and safe. We'll get the burner going again.